In this video, I'll show you how to disable notifications in Chrome on your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, there's a couple of ways to disable notifications. I'll show you the first way, which is head over to your settings app on your phone. Click on the magnifying glass and search for Chrome. And then click into Chrome, and then where it says under privacy notifications, it is set to allowed. So you just simply disable that, and now you'll not get any notifications from Chrome. The other way is to head back to your main screen, click onto the Google Chrome app itself, click and hold, and then once that is done, click on the little eye information thing next to Chrome, and that will send you straight to the Chrome app info. And under privacy again, where it says notifications, obviously it's blocked, but if it's allowed, disable it like that as well. Alright, that's it guys for the video, how to disable notifications in Chrome on your Android device. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it, and it helps us out a lot.